Hey everybody, welcome back. Stonebroke Adventure, 1971, 13-foot Boston Whaler restoration. Man, we have this thing ready to go now. We've got it faired out. We've got everything sanded down. All the repairs have been made. We're ready to paint this thing. So let's take this thing out, get it washed down, and we're gonna start going through all the steps to paint the inside. Stick around. So, I need you guys to do me a favor. We need to drive some algorithm. Hit the like button, share the video, leave some comments down below, and also check out the links down in the description. That helps support the channel. Right now, we're gonna wash out the inside of this with just some regular dish detergent, scrub this thing down really good, and that'll be the first step prepping to paint. All right, we have our dish detergent here, running water, green scrunchie. Time to scrub this thing down. She's all washed up. Next step, we're gonna prime it, paint it. I think we're gonna go with Seafoam on this. Seafoam's a little greener than this original Whaler blue. I was gonna go with the Sea Mist, but it's too green. So that's the plan. So we're gonna do the primer barrier coat, the Total Boat Total Protect. We've already used it on the bottom of this thing. We're gonna use it on the inside of the boat. Let's take a closer look. Total Boat Total Protect barrier coat primer. This thing's a barrier coat. So on this raw fiberglass, we have this raw fiberglass here, right? That raw fiberglass will actually absorb water over time. Same thing on the bottom on this polyester resin. So we need to put a barrier coat on that. We have polyester fairing compound. That's osmotic too, right? That'll absorb water also. So we got to make sure we have a waterproof barrier coat on that and primer. So it's a barrier coat and a primer. You can see these Boston Whalers originally, right? See this old 71, see that black? That's a barrier coat, right? The original barrier coat on this. So that's what we're gonna be using this for. Let's get the paint. And we have an inflatable paint booth. This is the VEVOR 26 by 10 by 15 inflatable paint booth. Comes with a ventilation blower and a blow-up blower. Let's go ahead and get this thing blown up and show you what it looks like on the outside and the inside. All right, we got it set up. We got it laid out here on the ground. Let's go ahead and blow it up. You can open up the entire garage door so you can roll your vehicle in, and then you have the small window here where the little entrance door in the main garage door that you can go in. Let's walk inside this thing. You see here, filter media. Same side, same thing over here, filter media. So you have these large filters. You actually have two large filters in the back. Real nice safety feature on this thing. You have this emergency window here. This emergency window, if for any reason you're in this space and you need to get somebody out quick or you need to get yourself out quick, just grab these tabs, pull them down. This whole window is going to open up and you can just jump right out of it. Plenty of light coming in. It's early in the morning. The sun's not even up all the way and you have plenty of light. This nice diffuser up top, right? It gives it a nice even light. You actually have back here your little workshop area. You can set your prep tables back here to isolate your prep station from the rest of your paint area. And then we can walk all the way through here. Right? All the way through. We have a door here that we can seal up if we want. We can actually keep it open if this is the prep area. Another door to seal the entire paint booth area. And right, you can open up, you can remove these filters. If you wanted to remove the filters from the prep station. All right, you see here the size of this thing. 13-foot Whaler. Fits in it really nice. We're all set up. We're not gonna have to worry about dust, anything. Yeah, so the VEVOR Paint Booth, this thing's awesome. Really gonna make an easy job of it. So I didn't get a chance to set the camera up to show me actually painting the inside of this thing, but got a little busy and I needed to focus on getting this done. But you can see here, I mean, real nice coverage on that Total Boat, Total Protect. We're gonna come back, sand this, right? And then we're gonna put a 2-part polyurethane on this. Like I said, we originally thought about gel coat, but we're gonna do a 2-part poly. And we've changed our mind on the color again. So we're gonna surprise you on that on the next episode. Right, so Total Boat, Total Protect. Right. Inside the VEVOR 26 by 10 by 15. So make sure you check out the links down below. When you check out the links down below, that really helps me out. Support the channel, support the sponsors, and support yourself with good products. So we're happy with the way it turned out. So yeah, it's looking good, man. Finally coming along. So from Stonebroke Adventure, until next time, bloop.